Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to transcribe video to text conversion. It's very simple. No need to install any kind of third-party software. You just use your computer system and very easily convert any kind of to video, audio or podcast as a text format. So how to do it? Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here new tab. You enter your email address, press here 9 tab. Your doc file is available. If this doc file is somewhere else, you just check it out. Open the doc file here. Open here new document. I just simply type here demo as a demo point of view. And now after open this file, you just enter here tools, and inside the tools voice typing options are available. I just simply click the voice typing options, and now if you want convert as a video to text format, so I just simply play one of my own video here. So now I just simply play this video. So this video contents are automatically typed here. So play this video.
Research Rocks. In this video, we will see complete video tutorial regarding the CapCut video editor, online, offline, even Android and iOS application also available. So in this video, we will provide you detailed demonstration using my laptop. So let's start as a demonstration. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here new tab, just put it here CapCut, and this is the first link is display here CapCut related. Even the link are available here Google Play Store and App Store. I already put it those link in video description. So just simply click here. This is the framework of the software. Before start anything, if you work as online, so you sign up directly here, otherwise download this application here. So I download this application first of all, and the application.
So it's very simple way to convert your text video contents as a text format using these tips and tricks, and no need to install any kind of third-party software. It's very simple, and then after convert you can modify those text. Sometimes the grammatical mistakes is coming, so you can very easily work on this grammatical mistakes and use those text wherever you want. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.